Hi dear children, welcome to our biology class. I hope all of you studied the previous topics that I taught you. Today we are going to study about taxonomic hierarchy of plants and binomial nomenclature. Okay children, let's start our class. Carl Linnaeus also classified plants by including them in various levels from species to kingdom. Look some examples. First, coconut tree. Coconut tree, its kingdom is Plantae. Its phylum is Angiospermophyta. Its class is Monocotyledonae. Its series Calycinae. Family Aracaceae. Genus Cocos. Species Nucifera. The second example is mango tree. Its kingdom is Plantae, phylum Angiospermophyta, class Dicotyledonae, series Sapindales, family Anacardiaceae, genus Mangifera, species Indica. Children, there is an activity for you. Find out more examples of the classification of plants. Look at the pictures. These organisms have different names in different areas. If an organism has so many names in a single language, it is a hindrance to their study. Then how we overcome this situation? Binomial nomenclature was proposed to solve the difficulties arising out of an organism being known by various names in different languages and regions. This is a commonly accepted scientific method of naming. Binomial nomenclature is the scientific method of naming by joining two words. It was Carl Linnaeus who proposed binomial nomenclature. The first word of the scientific name indicates the genus and the second word indicates the species. By this method, the scientific name of an organism is the same all over the world. According to this, the scientific name of human beings is Homo sapiens. Thus, what is binomial nomenclature? It is to solve the difficulties arising out of an organism being known by various names in different languages and regions. It is a commonly accepted scientific method of naming. It was proposed by Carl Linnaeus. And in the binomial nomenclature, it is a scientific method of naming by joining two words. The first of the scientific name indicates the genus and the second word indicates the species. This method, the scientific name of an organism is the same all over the world. The scientific name of coconut is Cocos nucifera. Cocos is genus name and Nucifera is the species name. Second example, mango tree. Scientific name is Mangifera indica. Mangifera is the genus name and Indica is the species name. Let's look the table. The organism elephant, its scientific name is Elephas maximus. Peacock, its scientific name is Pavo cristatus. Dog, its scientific name is Canis familiaris. Dear children, there is another activity for you. Complete this table, finding out the scientific names of various organisms. Expand the table by including the names of more organisms. Okay children, let's conclude our today's section. Today we studied about taxonomic hierarchy of plants and binomial nomenclature. I hope all of you understood today's class. See you in the next class. Thank you.